a pose that is great for prenatal yoga sequences, and it helps to widen the uterus for easy delivery, and a pose to sequence in your vinyasa flow. Friends, a simple yet powerful pose allowing you to tap into the goddess within us. Namaste friends, I am Ritesh, and today our topic is Goddess Pose, also known as a fierce angle pose, Devi Asana, or in Sanskrit it's also known as Utkata Konasana. Friends, it's a beginner to intermediate level pose, and it's a great hip opener also. So friends, safety first. So if you have a recent or chronic injury to the legs, hip or shoulder, please avoid it. And before we get into this practice, you need to prepare yourself by doing Supta Baddha Konasana or Anjaneyasana, that is a low lunge or a high lunge, Warrior 1 and Malasana, that is a squat pose. So friends, let's get started. The first and foremost is we take a support of the wall to get an idea. So every asana in the standing position always starts with a Talasana. So tall yourself, shoulders are down, your neck is long, your chin is parallel. Maintain that position, and now from here take the legs wide apart and take the legs to a 45-degree angle, and now just squat down. Now friends, this position, for some people they can just do like that. For some people they can go really more down. So it depends upon your flexibility to whatever extent. Now you can take the support of the wall behind, and I keep my hips on the wall, so it gives me a little bit more support to hold it longer, and I can check, okay, the legs are 45-degree angle, the knees are in line with my ankle, so knee ankle is in one line, and I can still see that my knee and my second toe is in one line. So I keep myself tall, maintain that position, my shoulders are down, I can keep the arms in Namaskar Mudra, I can keep the arms in that position. All these variations are completely fine when you're focusing on. You can still go more down, possible, or that's it. It's very important that the leg doesn't go like that in. Shorten the distance, that's fine. Now remember to check your pelvis. So let me change the side. If I'm in doing this position, so what I need is don't take the pelvis this. You are giving an anterior tilt of the pelvis. What we need is a neutral tilt. So keep it neutral, widen the legs out and maintain. And avoid taking the pelvis into an anterior tilt. We need a neutral pelvis. Coming back. Friends, you need to slowly and steadily work on it. So check that your pelvis is not tilting to the sides, and it's a great variation in Vinyasa. So some of the variations in Vinyasa are in the Devi Asana or a Goddess Pose. Open the arms wide apart, standing tall. Now from here I can hands the hip and I can do this movement. Exhale, inhale, exhale. One. Second variation in Vinyasa is keep the arms up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. The third variation is hold your ankle and give a nice stretch, hold it there and breathe, and don't forget to smile. Maintain. So friends, come up slowly and relax yourself. Friends, that was Devi Asana. Friends, a great pose, a great hip opener. So it helps in stability, focus, awareness, and it's a great alignment pose also. It opens the hip and the chest, strengthening and tones the lower body, stimulates the urogenital, respiratory and cardiovascular system. Friends, I am Ritesh. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, and yes, do subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Namaste.